Hello everyone, welcome to Danny Kitchen Mafia. Today we have special. We have EZO-Awabi from Japan. This one, EZO-Awabi from Japan, abalone. So we try to do something. I try to make the sashimi or sushi for tonight, but today we just do only 2 pieces for today. So first we have to clean the abalone. Running water. Use the brush. Try to clean all the dust or the soil that cover the abalone. So actually abalone you can serve raw, but a little bit chewy, a little bit tough for somebody. So mostly in Japan we steam with sake like 3 hours, and then we try to serve with the abalone liver sauce. So if you see the abalone, the real abalone is have the hole at the shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like at least 9 hole. That the real one. That the good one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So next, we try to take the abalone out of the shell. Use the knife or the oyster opener. Try to separate abalone from the shell. Okay, now we have the liver. We're gonna save the liver and make the liver sauce. So we try to take this the liver. We're gonna save it. Then at the end they have the top part, so we have to take it out. So try to clean the abalone as much as we can. Same thing with another one. The liver. The same thing at the end. Okay. I will clean a little bit. This is the shell. So mostly we can see the shell. They do something for jewelry. We put it back like this. So another name or the AKA of the abalone is ear sea or ear of the sea because it looks like the ear. So after this we're gonna steam. So we're gonna use the kelp, wipe with the towel. I'm gonna put abalone in the bowl. Then we add the kelp. We will add some sake. Add some soy sauce, mirin, okay, and then we're gonna go to the kitchen. So we prepare the steamer. Then we're gonna steam at least 3 hours until the abalone soft and tender. Now we're gonna make the liver sauce. So we clean a little bit with the water. Then we're gonna use the sieve.
Think I might be over my troubles since you came around. Something struck me.
So after we steam the abalone or awabi for 3 hours, so you will see it's tender. So we're gonna take everything. Smell good. We're gonna take everything and plating. Do the sashimi. Okay, now it's time to plating. So this one, the liver that we sieve before, I add like couple drop of the sake, couple drop of the mirin, and a little bit of the soy sauce to it. And this one, the abalone that we steam, I'm gonna add some the stock just 1 tablespoon in the sauce. Just mix, and then we get some more flavor from the kelp and from the abalone itself. And then we're gonna take the abalone, put, and we're gonna use the shell to be our plate. So let me clean up the shell first. Okay, put some seaweed.
Oh, lately, I've been caught up in my mind. Oh, it's not hard to see why I was feeling that. You saw right through it all.
And then we're gonna cut our abalone. Tender.
Oh, I could not fake it, no matter how I tried. Ooh, you cured my aching heart when you came around.
I'm gonna put on the shell.
I saw million signs. I must be over it by now. There's a reason why. I think I might be over my troubles.
Add the wasabi. Put some salt, liver salt, and then this one extra. Ginger wasabi. We're gonna add some sushi rice for dipping in the liver sauce. Okay, make the decoration. Our flour. Some chive.
Suddenly I think of tomorrow. Since you came around. I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. I was just lonely.
Okay, this one is simmer abalone in the sake for 3 hours, and we serve sashimi. So if you like this video clip, please don't forget, give me a thumb up, share my video clip, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Danny Kitchen Mafia. Today we have abalone. See you in the next episode. You will see the new things. Thank you very much. Thank you. Good night.
Feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely. But since you came around, all I see is tomorrow.
Tasting time
ไปเลยคุณจะกินแค่นี้แหละ
have to eat the abalone
กินอัน
first
นี้เอาเหรออันนั้นตามเหรอเอากินด้วยกันไหมเหมือน
กินเดียวเลย
อันนี้จิ้ม
จิ้ม
ไหม
ก็
เหรอ
ได้
ตับมันเหรอสุกหรือยัง
สุกแล้ว
อาบาโรนเรากินแต่เหยียบเป่ามือ
How it taste
you have more
go
I love you eat more I love it
เป็นไง
อร่อยอ๋อนี่เลย
Yeah, use the hand. It's okay. No, you can eat first and then the rice later.
มันกินทางเหนือไงกินข้าวกับจิ้นทอดโอ้ว่าอีกอะไรจิงเจอร์
Then the rice dip in the liver sauce.
Very tender.